watching this. So today we are going to make the density tower. As you can see, there's honey and milk. This clear liquid which is yellowish in color is dishwashing soap. This is food colored water. If you don't have food color, you can use acrylic color. You should mix it well with acrylic color. So then we have this vegetable oil. Sunflower oil also works, as I am using sunflower oil. Then this is olive oil. Olive oil doesn't have any color. So if you want, you can just color with food coloring or acrylic coloring. And density's full form is that it means that the mass and the quantity of liquid poured inside it has more dense and less dense. So the tools you are going to need for this experiment is, let me keep it aside. So make sure you, kids who are watching this, make sure you have your parents' supervision and permission. So keep your tissues close by if anything falls down or something goes wrong. So the tools are this spoon. You can use a funnel. I am using the spoon because I can pour it down like that, as it has edge like that. And a clear glass. Obviously we will need a clear glass because you cannot look from the top all the layers. So this is the tools. The ingredients are honey, milk, and dishwashing soap, then food colored water, sunflower oil, and olive oil. So let me keep this aside so you can see what's going on here. I think that's enough, you can say. So the neatliness in this experiment makes it much better. So I am telling you a warning. Be cautious when pouring the honey because you don't want it to test the sides of the glass, as it will just mix up with the other liquids. So the honey should be poured from the tub itself. Slow and steady. Like I am doing, just pour it in slow and steady. Okay. Take it up slow and steady. Basically, if you tell everything together, everything should be poured in slow and steady. So the next thing, just take it out. Just today we are going to make the density tower. Then we are going to pour in milk as we poured in honey. Now we are going to use the spoon because milk is really, as you can see, it moves just like that, but the honey is not like that. So take the milk, pour it in, make the milk full there. Now what you are going to do is just pour it from the back. As you can see, just like that. Let me clean the table up. The ingredient that we are going to use is dishwashing soap. You should be more cautious than any liquid in this experiment with the dishwashing soap because it can make bubbles. We don't want any air pockets in our experiment, and it can mix up with it. It can be any color, any dishwashing soap, but it should be dishwashing soap. So this time I am not using this spoon because I have done this a lot of times but you should use a spoon if it's your first time making this. So when pouring the dishwashing soap without the spoon, you should be careful that you should pour it from the sides of the glass, as it will slide down. If you pour it from the center of the glass, it will have more force. So let me pour it from the side. It should be just like that. We are almost complete. Now what you are going to use is the food colored water. So when using the food colored water, you should use the spoon, as I am using. Then this time you don't want to use the back of the spoon. Just pour it in from the side, touch the side and just pour it in. Just like that. Now now we are ready. Now there's only 2 ingredients to pour in. First we are going to pour in vegetable oil or sunflower oil. I am using sunflower oil. So this liquid is really moving. See, it's much denser than the water. So we are going to pour it in slow and steady. Pouring in the soap. So we are poured it in. Now we are pouring in the last ingredient, which is olive oil. Now, let's make a small hole there. You can get it in small bags smaller than this. So we have added the virgin oil, olive oil. The olive oil and the sunflower oil doesn't have a colors difference, barely. So we cannot tell the difference. So, and that's how we make a 6-layer density tower. Thank you. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.